what's even hotter, the complete 1-year program by sisyaclass for mathematics from grades 3 to 10. 100% only IIT and IIT teachers. This course completes Vedic mathematics and competitive exams like Olympiads and Math Kangaroo. The classes are starting from 5th of May 2025 and all of this for 9,999. Is the price a bit high? Don't worry parents, the mega offer from sisyaclass this summer season is live. And in this mega offer, you can get this complete 1-year mathematics program only for 999, which is even lesser than 2 rupees per class. Parents, what do you get these days for 2 rupees? Not even a good cup of tea. But here at sisyaclass, you are getting quality classes from IIT and IT teachers at even lesser than 2 rupees per class. Parents, hurry up, quickly click on the link given in the description below or scan this QR code to complete the payment and book your seat.
Alright, dear students, welcome back to yet another session from sisyaclass in this Ultimate Bridge series, which we have started to help students that are moving from grade 9 to grade 10. This is again to show that grade 10 is not at all hard, provided if your concepts in grade 9 are very smooth. It's okay if you're not, because that is why we have started this series. Just a reminder that this series is going on in 3 different languages. Right now, what you're watching is in English language. Suppose if you want to learn in Telugu, you can watch our video in Telugu language. If you want to watch in Hindi, you can watch Shikes's session, who is from IIT Gandhinagar. All right. So in today's session, if you don't know, we have already uploaded 3 more videos. That is grade 10 chapter 1 real numbers, how it is related to grade 9 number system. Next, grade 10 chapter 2 polynomials. Grade 9 chapter 2, what was polynomials again. Now grade 9 chapter 4, what was it? Linear equation in 2 variables. Grade 10 chapter 3, pair of linear equations is 2 variable. So almost it is bridging the gap. But quadratic equation. Quadratic equation, where did we learn? If you remember, quadratic equation we learned in polynomials, quadratic polynomial. Right. So I'm just going to extend the grade 9 chapter 2 to grade 10 chapter 4 and it becomes quadratic equations, and the topic name is power of parabola. Why parabola? I'll tell you. But first of all, first thing first, again, if you don't know me, you should know by then. Okay, it's okay. All right, my name is Rishab. I'm maths master teacher here at sisyaclass. I've done my education from IIT Jodhpur, doing it for 6+ years, taught over 50,000 plus students. I hope everyone knows this. All right, so let's start without further ado. Okay, this is IPL season. Okay, first things, tell me in the comment box which is your favorite IPL team. If you want to know mine, you can also just type in the comment box. I will reply there. All right, but everyone has seen or played cricket at some point of their life, right or not? Yes. Okay, correct. Now, whenever you see cricket, here's a question. You see a batsman hitting a 6, hitting a 4, or getting out. I have a question. When a ball hits the bat, what are the possibilities? Either it will go for 6, it will go for 1, 2, 3, 4, anything, or the batsman gets out. Like either he will score run, or he will get not. He will score 0, or he will get out. That's what, right? But the thing is, whatever be the case is, whether it is a 6, whether it is an out or anything, the thing that we have to realize is that when the ball strikes the bat, the path taken by the ball is in the shape of a parabola. Now, if you are seeing IPL right now, IPL also have started to show parabola where they show the maximum height achieved and the distance also. You see the highest distance is right, 100 plus meters, 110 plus meters, and the height reaching so many height, right? So all of this is what is parabola, and what is it is a quadratic function. That means if I model this graph, it is going to be a quadratic function, but the shape is going to be a parabola. Are you with me up till now? Yes or no? See, cricket. You love cricket. I love cricket. I love maths. I hope you love maths also. All right. So, if we talk about a standard form of a quadratic equation, this you have learned in grade 9. That is when we studied quadratic polynomial. So, quadratic equation is given by y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, where a is the leading coefficient, or we call as coefficient of x square, b is the coefficient of x, and c is what? Constant term. I hope everyone remembers this, right? This is called as a standard form of a quadratic function. Tell me this thing, x minus 2 whole square plus 1 equals to 2x minus 3. Is this a quadratic equation? What do you think? See, here just seeing this, I cannot say. What I have to do, I have to simplify. X minus 2 whole square. Identity 2, a minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. I hope everyone remembers. So x minus 2 whole square I can write as x square plus second term square, that is 4, 2 square, that is 4, minus 2 times the product of 2 and x. So I have simplified this, plus 1, this remains same, equals to 2x minus 3. Right. Now what? This is x square plus 4 minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 3. Right. Now what I will do? I will just arrange 2x I will take here, minus 3 I will take here. 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8. So I will write x square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x plus 4 plus 1 is 5, 5 plus 3 is 8 is equals to 0. Now tell me, is it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0? Yes or not? Of course, yes. So a is 1, b is minus 6, and c is 8. How about this one? X plus 2 whole cube equals to x cube minus 4. Tell me. In the first thought, you will be saying, no, sir, this is not a quadratic equation. We are getting 3 and 3 here. But is it really the case? Let's see. X plus 2 whole cube. What is the identity? A plus b whole cube. Come on. Everyone can recall this. This is a cube plus b cube plus 3ab times a plus b. Yes or no? So x plus 2 whole cube will become x cube plus 2 cube plus 3 multiplied by x multiplied by 2 times x plus 2. Just follow this identity is equals to x cube minus 4. Let me simplify this. So x cube plus 2 cube is what? 8. This is 3 times 2 is what? 6x times x plus 2 is equals to x cube minus 4. I can also simplify this further. Let me do that. X cube plus 8 plus 6x into x, 6x square plus 6x into 2, 12x is equals to x cube minus 4. Right. Now, see, x cube is here, x cube is here. What I will do, I will cancel out. Minus 4, I will take other side. So what I can write? 6x square plus 12x plus 12 is equals to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? Yes, since it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. What is a degree of this equation? 2. So it is absolutely a quadratic equation. Right. Here's a question in front of you. X plus 2 whole square equals to 2x square. A or B? Yes, it is a quadratic equation. No, it is not a quadratic equation. Pause this video right now. Solve it and tell me. Okay. I hope you have resumed this. I am trusting you. So x plus 2 whole square, I will apply the identity. I will get x square plus 2 square is what? 4 plus 2 times x, 4x is equals to 2x square. Right. So what I'm getting, x square I'll take here. I'll get x square, 4x I'll take here. I'll get minus 4x. Minus 4 is equals to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? I think so. Yes, it is a quadratic equation. How about now? Don't be very quick. 3 and 3. I don't think it's a quadratic equation. No, 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 no. You have to simplify it further. Pause this video. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. All right. Welcome back. So how will I know whether this is, I hope everyone is solving this. So 2x whole cube is what? 8x cube plus x square is equals to 8x cube. 8x cube got cancelled. X square is equals to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Of course it is. Yes, it is a quadratic. Clear? Yes. I hope you're understanding. Check whether following are quadratic equations or not. So I'm going to solve some more questions. Okay, what you do, you pause this video, solve this question, and see whether your answer is right or not. We have x minus 2 whole square plus 1 equals to 2x minus 3. Again, same thing, a minus b whole square. I'll write it here one more time. A minus b whole square is equals to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So x minus 2 whole square, I will get x square plus 4 minus 2 times x minus 4x plus 1 is equals to 2x minus 3. I can simplify it further. Of course, yes, x square minus 4x plus 5 will be equals to 2x minus 3. 2x I will take it here. What I will get? X square minus 4x minus 2x minus 6x. 5 plus 3, 8 plus 8 is equals to 0. Is this a quadratic equation? Of course, yes. How about this one? x times x plus 1 plus 8 equals to x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 2. Okay, what is it? Identity 3. What is identity 3 says? A plus b multiplied by a minus b is equals to what? A square minus b square. So first, let's simplify LHS. It will become x square plus x plus 8. This is equals to, again I told you, x plus 2 into x minus 2. That is x square minus 2 square. Right. So it will become x square plus x plus 8 is equals to x square minus 4. X square will get cancelled. What I'm getting, x 4 I'll take there. I will get x plus 12 is equals to 0. Is it a quadratic equation? No, this is a linear equation. I hope you're getting it. Yes. All right. I'll give you two questions as for your doing. Let's check. So this question, tell me the answer in the comment box below. This is very easy. I'll do this. Next you do. 2x times x is what? 2x square plus 3x is equals to x square plus 1. What I'm getting, x square plus 3x minus 1 is equals to 0. Quadratic equation? Yes, sir. You do this one. I'm not going to do this. Tell me the answer in the comment box. Right, sir, this is a quadratic equation. Sir, this is not a quadratic equation. Whatever I said, I'll answer. I hope everything is clear. What is the quadratic equation? If we are getting ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, a should not be 0. Only the condition that we should remember. Right. Now tell me, what did I tell you? What is the graph of a quadratic equation? It is a parabola. Right. So is this a parabola? Yes. This is a parabola. Tell me one thing. Is this also a parabola? Yes, this is also a parabola, right? This is a parabola. You can consider any example. This is a parabola. But what is the difference? If you can see, this is an upward parabola, right? It is going like this. And this is a downward parabola, right? So we have what we know, that parabola can be upward and parabola can be downward as well. But what is the condition? So if we have, let's say, y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, how will we know whether the parabola is upward or whether the parabola is downward? So dear students, if a is greater than 0, then it is upward parabola. If a is less than 0, it is a downward parabola. Pretty easy thing. But again, what will I say? This is a 5-star formula for this chapter. What I'm saying, if a is greater than 0, it is an upward parabola. If a is less than 0, this is a downward parabola. Now, of course, you won't find this as NCERT anywhere. But the thing is, dear students, right now the paper pattern has changed a lot. So you have to have the conceptual knowledge is very important. You know, the CBSE is moving from the textual knowledge. They want to test real life application. So if you have understood one chapter, they want to understand whether you can apply the same knowledge into a real life scenario. So again, upward parabola, A is greater than 0, downward parabola, A is less than 0. All right, let's see this question, whether it is an upward para or downward parabola. So what we have, y equals to 7 minus x whole square. I will do one thing, I will simplify this. So a minus b whole square, that is a square plus b square. B is what? X square plus, sorry, minus 2 times 7 into x. So what will it become? It will become 49 plus x square minus 14x. Or I can write this in standard form if you want. X square minus 14x plus 49. Is it an upward parabola or downward parabola? Here a is 1. So obviously it is going to be an upward parabola. It will be something like this. Easy, pretty easy, right? All right, do this one, pause the video, take 20 seconds from my side and resume. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's resume. How will we know whether it is upward parabola or downward parabola? What will I do? I can simplify minus 2x whole square minus 4x square minus 4x plus 9. What is A? A is minus 4. And I believe the last time I checked, the minus 4 is less than 0. So this is going to be a downward parabola, maybe something like this. Clear? Very pretty standard straight stuff. All right. Now, once I will tell you one real life situation, and what we will do, we will try to form a mathematical formula. Okay, let's see. John and Jivanti together have 45 balls. Both of them lost 5 balls each. Product of the balls they have now is 124. We have to find how many balls they had to start with. So John and Jivanti together have 45 balls. So let's assume John has X balls, Jivanti has Y balls. So what is the first equation? X plus Y is equals to what? 45. Both of them lost 5 balls each, and the product of the balls they have now is 124. That means John lost 5 balls, X minus 5. Jivanti lost 5 balls, Y minus 5. But product is what? 124. We have to find how many marbles, this is actually balls, how many balls they had to start with. Now tell me, in this thing, can I write Y is equals to 45 minus X? Of course, yes, right. I will take X to the other side. I'm getting Y equals to 45 minus X. So what I will do, X minus 5. Instead of Y, I will write 45 minus X minus 5 is equals to 124. Right. Now what I will do, X minus 5. 45 minus 5 is what? 40. I will write 40 minus X is equals to 124. Right. Now I can simplify this further. I will get 40x minus x square. 5 times 40 is what? 200. Minus 200 plus 5x is equals to 124. So what is the answer I'm going to get? I can also simplify this further. So I'll get 45x minus x square minus 200 is equals to 124. Right. I can also simplify this further. How? I will take entire things here. So I'll get x square minus 45x plus 324 is equals to 0. So this is how I have made one mathematical formula. I hope you understand this. Yes, great. All right, here's one more thing. I am not going to do this, but yes, I will help you in this. Cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. Cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the total number of toys produced in a day. On a certain day, the total cost of production was 750. What we have to find the total number of toys produced on that day. Okay, let's go one by one. Cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. What number? I don't know. Let's assume this as X. Cost of each cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the total number of toys produced in the day. That is, I will assume it to be, let's say total number is Y. Let's assume we have produced total Y. The cost of production of each toy, that means how many toys we have made? Y. What is the cost? How many toys we have made? X. What is the cost? I don't know. All right, so cost I have assumed to be Y rupees. So cost of production of toy was found to be, that means Y is equals to 55 minus total number of toys, that is rupees X. That is X. Getting it? On a certain day, the total cost of production was rupees 750. All right. Now, up till now, I hope everything you have understood. Now, let's study solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Now, in polynomials, we've already done this, but I'll tell you. First of all, consider this quadratic equation. 2x square minus 3x plus 1 equals to 0. Suppose if I put x equals to 1 in this equation, what I'm going to get? Let's try putting, I'm getting 2, 1 square, that is 1 only, minus 3 times 1 plus 1 is equals to 0. Now 2 times 1 is what? 2, minus 3 times 1 is minus 3, plus 1 is what? Is equal to 0. Now 2 plus 1 is what? 3, 3 minus 3 is 0. That means I'm getting 0 equals to 0. What does it mean? That means when I'm putting x equals to 1 in this quadratic equation, I'm getting the answer as 0. What does it mean? That 0 is one of the solution of this quadratic equation. I hope everyone remembers. This is just to tell you what is meant by a solution of a quadratic equation. In general, what we say, a real number k is called a root or a solution of the quadratic equation. This is if ak square plus bk plus c is equals to 0. Pretty straight standard stuff. Again, if you are having problem in this, do watch our polynomials video for grade 10. I have talked about what is the solution of a polynomial, what are the roots, what are the zeros of a polynomial. It is pretty standard straight stuff. All right. Now, if we have to find the roots of this given quadratic equation by factorization, what I will do? See, whenever we have to find roots, first thing is what I will do. I will see what is the product of 2 and 3. So what is the product of 2 and 3? It is 6. And I have to make the sum as minus 5. That means I have to select two factors. The sum will give us minus 5 and the product will give us 6. So in this case, it is pretty straightforward. I will 2x square minus 5x can be written as minus 2x minus 3x plus 3. Why? Why? Tell me why. See, minus 2 times minus 3 is what? Positive 6 minus 10 minus is positive, and minus 2 plus of minus 3 will give us minus 5. So what I'm getting, if I take 2x common, I will get x minus 1. If I take minus 3 common here, I will get x minus 1 is equals to 0. So I will get x minus 1, 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. In this case, what are the roots? Roots is x equals to 1 and x equals to 3 by 2. Pretty straight thing. What we have to remember, but very important thing, that the sum of the numbers that we are choosing should be equals to the b value, that is minus 5, and the product should be equals to a times c, that is 2 times 3 in this case, which is 6. Okay, in this case, how will I do? 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus root 2. What should be the product? Product should be equals to 3 times 2, that is 6, and sum should be minus 2 root 6. That's pretty straightforward, right? This is also. I will write 3x square minus 2 root 6. I can write as minus root 6x minus root 6x. Why? Again, minus root 6 times minus root 6 will give me what? 6, and some minus root 6 plus of minus root 6, that is minus root 6 minus root 6, that is minus 2 root 6. Again, same thing. What I will do in this case, see, root 6 can be written as root 3 times root 2. What I will do, tell me, I will take root 3 common, root 3x common. What will be in the left? I will be getting root 3x minus root 2. And similarly, root 6 is what? Root 2 times root 3. I will take root 2 common, minus of root 2 common. I will get root 3x minus root 2. And this is equals to what? 0. So what I'm getting? I'm getting root 3x minus root 2 times root 3x minus root 2. This is equals to 0. So in this case, we are getting the same solution, that is root 3x is equals to root 2. Here also root 3x equals to root 2. That means x equals to root 2 by root 3, comma, root 2 by root 3. That is, I'll write here also root 2 by 3, root 2 by root 3, comma, root 2 by root 3. I hope this is pretty standard stuff. You are getting it right. All right. Now, dear students, if you remember our polynomials chapter, what I'll say, see, if it is a, if there is a axis, now that is parabola, right? Now, parabola can also be like this, right? In this case, tell me what is the, how many zeros does it have? What are the roots? Is it intersecting x-axis at any point? No. That means it will have zero root. Okay, if I draw the axis like this, and let's see, our parabola is intersecting like this. How many roots does it have? 2, right? It is intersecting at 2 points, 1, comma 2. Or I can have one more case, that is if I draw the coordinate axis like this time it is just touching the x-axis and going. In this case, how many roots does it have? In this case, if you see the previous example, again, it is having 2 roots, but these 2 roots are equal. Right, this is how we see graphically. If you want more information on this, do watch our polynomials video. I have covered in great depth. That is why it is having sequence, right? Chapter 2 is polynomials, chapter 4 is quadratic equations, right? In this case, here's a quiz. How many roots we have? See, it is only just touching, right? If it is only touching, okay, I pause the video and tell the answer. Okay, 3, 2, 1. What is the answer? See, it is having 2 real and equal roots. 2 roots are there, but 2 roots are equal. Cool. Next question. How many roots we have? Okay, pause again one more time. Okay, resume. How many roots does it have? No real root. Is it crossing the x-axis? Is it cutting the x-axis at any point? No. That means it is having no real root. One more question. How many roots does it have? In this case, it is intersecting at 2 points. That is why I will call this that it is having 2 real roots. Clear? I hope it is perfectly clear up till now. All right. But how will I see? Suppose if I have a quadratic equation y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, and if I ask you what is the root, and does it have 2 real and distinct, 2 equal, or no root? How will you know? In that case, we have to discriminate, right? That is why we have a discriminant. That is, if we have an equation y equals to ax square plus bx plus c, we have a discriminant known as d. It is given by b square minus 4ac. Again, I'm telling you very important stuff. Y equals to ax square plus bx plus c. The d will be given by b square minus 4ac. And that is the root for a quadratic formula. This is what we call as quadratic formula. So once we have the value of d, x will be given by minus b plus minus square root of d, that is b square minus 4ac over 2a. And this is a 5-star formula, dear students. We will be doing some more questions in our long-term program. So if you're interested for this, again, I'm telling you, you can enroll for pilot course program for just rupees 29. This is a 1 week trial program in which you'll be getting subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, biology, coding, and robotics. For this question, we will doing. But first, let's consider nature of roots. What is first case? If b square minus 4ac is greater than 0, we will get two distinct real roots. That is, the two roots will be given by x equals to minus b by 2a plus this and minus b by 2a minus this. So what is the condition? If d, that is, if d is greater than 0, we will be getting two real and distinct roots. Second case is when p square minus 4ac is 0. That is, if d is equals to 0, we will be getting two real roots, but these two real roots will be equal. Getting it? Great. And the third case, if when d is less than 0, that is b square minus 4ac is less than 0, then we will be getting no real roots, or we can say we are getting imaginary roots. Pretty clear? Yes. States of standard state stuff. So this b is given by b square minus 4ac, and this is a 5-star concept. So always note it down as I tell you. 5-star concepts you have to note down. That is, d is greater than 0, two distinct real roots. If d is equals to 0, two real roots, but they are equal. And b square minus 4ac, that is d is less than 0, no real roots. Now, okay, let's understand better with the help of a question. Find the discriminant and find the nature of roots. Now, in this case, a is 2, b is what? Minus 4, and c is what? 3. What is discriminant given by? D is equals to b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus 4. So I'll be writing minus 4 whole square minus 4 times 2 times 3. So what I'll getting? Minus 4 whole square is what? 16. Minus 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 3 is what? 24. 16 minus 24 is minus 8. D is less than 0. That means it will have no real root. D is minus 8. I hope it is clear. It is making sense. How about now? Find the discriminant and also the nature. Discriminant, again, very easy. D is equals to b square minus 4ac. B is what? In this case, minus 2. That is minus 2 whole square. Minus 4 times 3 times c is 1 by 3. Now 3 will get cancelled. What I'm getting? 2 square is what? Minus 2 whole square is what? 4. 4 minus 4 is what? 0. D is 0. If D is 0, it will have two real roots, but it will not be distinct. They will be equal. Clear? If you have any confusion, any doubts, make sure you comment in the comment box. Type it there. I will make sure to answer each and every comment of you. All right. Find the discriminant and find the nature. X square minus 4x plus 9. Again, d will be given by b square, that is minus 4 whole square, minus 4 times, what is a? If nothing is said, that is a is 1, times c, that is 9. 4 square is what? 6. Minus 4 square is what? 16. Minus 4 times 9, 36. What is the answer? 16 minus 36. I will be getting negative of 20. If d is negative, that means no real root. Pretty straight thing. All right. In this case, tell me what is the answer? See, d is what? B square minus 4ac. Remember this thing. Now, in the night also, if someone wake you up, tell the formula for d, you should be like b square minus 4ac. Before you open your eyes, the formula should come. All right. So b is what? Minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 times 1 times 4. Minus 4 whole square minus 16 or plus 16? Plus 16. Minus 4 times 4 is 16. 16 minus 16 is 0. D is 0. That means what? Two real roots, but they are equal. In this case, minus 4x plus 5. Okay, let's see. D, formula of D will not change. B square minus 4ac. D is what? B is what? Minus 4. Minus 4 whole square. Minus 4 times 1 times 5. Minus 4 square is what? 16. Minus 4 times 5, 20. 16 minus 20 is what? Minus 4. If D is minus 4, that is D is less than 0, it means it will have no real root, or I can say the roots are imaginary. I hope it is clear, right? Okay, here's a quiz. How many, tell me, if it is two real roots, two real and equal roots, no real root, or three roots, how will I tell this? D formula B square minus 4ac, that is negative 7 whole square minus 4 times 9. Negative 7 whole square, 49. Now 16 times 9. Okay, 16 times 9, 54, 144. I don't need to solve it. Do I need to solve it? No. 49 is less than 144. That means no real root. In this case, okay, what is A is 1, what is B? B is negative 3. Do we have C? No, C is 0. So let's see, B square, that is minus 3 whole square, minus 4 times 1 times 0. If C is 0, this becomes 0. Negative 3 whole square, 9. So it will have two real roots and distinct roots. Great. Okay, solve for this one. I'm not going to solve it. Tell me the answer in the comment box. This is just write question and answer. I will check it and let you know. Okay, I'll give you one hint. What we'll do, x minus 2 whole square, I will first apply identity. X square plus 4 minus 4x. Here also I will apply identity. It will become 4x square plus 1 plus 4x. Next what? I will simplify this. I'll get 3x square minus 8x minus 3 is equals to 0. Next, what will I do? I will find d. D is equals to b square, that is 64, minus 4 times minus 9. See, I'm just telling you this. Do it on your own. What is the value of d? D is 100. Tell me if you have any problem. I will make sure to answer this. So what is the question? D is 100. That means D is greater than 0. That means what? Tell me what? It means we will have two real and distinct roots. I hope it is clear. Yes or no? X square is equals to 0. Okay. Do we need to solve this? Roots are 0 and 0. That means two equal and real roots. See, not always we have to find the value of discriminant. Sometimes you have to use our common sense as well. I hope it is pretty clear. All right. Now, one more type of questions that can come is like find the value of k such that given equation has two real and equal roots. Here we don't know, but what is we know the condition that whenever an equation for an equation to have two real and equal roots, d should be equals to 0. That I know. Okay. What is the value of d here? I can write d is equals to b square minus 4ac. What is b? Minus k of whole square. Minus 4 times a is what? 1. C is what? 9. So what I will write? And that is k square minus 36. And for the condition that it has two real and equal roots, this should be equals to 0. So k square is equals to 36. That means k is equals to plus minus 6. Is it clear? Yes or no? I hope it is clear. All right, let's move forward. Find the value of k such that the given equation has two real. Again, same thing. What is it? Two real and equal roots. D should be equals to 0. What is d? D will be given by b square. That is 9 minus 4ac. That is 1 times minus k. And this should be equals to 0. This means 9 minus 4 times 1 minus 4. Minus 4 times minus k plus 4k is equals to 0. And you can solve this. We'll be getting 4k is equals to minus 9. That means k is equals to minus 9 by 4. I hope it is clear. Yes, easy. All right. Now here is one question for you. I'm not even going to touch this question. Tell me the answer in the comment box, whether it is A, it is B, it is C, or it is D.
It's very hot this summer, but do you know what's even hotter? The complete one-year program by sisyaclass for mathematics from grades 3 to 10. 100% only IIT and IIT teachers. This course completes Vedic mathematics and competitive exams like Olympiads and Math Kangaroo. The classes are starting from 5th of May 2025 and all of this for 9,999. Is the price a bit high? Don't worry parents, the mega offer from sisyaclass this summer season is live. And in this mega offer, you can get this complete 1 year mathematics program only for 999, which is even lesser than 2 rupees per class. Parents, what do you get these days for 2 rupees? Not even a good cup of tea. But here at sisyaclass, you are getting quality classes from IIT and IT teachers at even lesser than 2 rupees per class. Parents, hurry up, quickly click on the link given in the description below or scan this QR code to complete the payment and book your seat.
All right. So thank you so much, dear students. First of all, what we have doing this series, we are doing this ultimate breach series for students that are moving from grade 9 to grade 10. If you still haven't downloaded our Sisya Class app, please scan this QR code and download the Sisya Class app right now because it is what we have launched. We have launched a pilot course program that is a 1 week program, and this is only for rupees 29, in which you are getting subjects like maths, physics, chemistry, biology, coding, and robotics. So download the app and I'll see you in the next session. The next session, this series is continuing. And of course, if we are launching the series in two different languages. Suppose if you want to learn in Hindi, you can join Shrikesh sir class. He's from IIT Gandhinagar. If you want to learn in Telugu, you can join Kaushik sir class. All right. Okay. So take care, dear students. Keep on studying.